The demise of Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi in a helicopter mishap in the northern regions of Iran has sent ripples across the globe, sparking a flurry of conjecture regarding the incident's details. President Raisi, along with Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian, the prayer leader of Tabriz, Ayatollah Mohammad Ali al-Hashim, the Governor General of East Azerbaijan Malik Ramati, and several security personnel encountered a fatal accident in Iran's East Azerbaijan province after visiting Azerbaijan. In the wake of the accident, search teams braved dense fog and freezing conditions to scour the crash vicinity until an early morning drone detected a heat signature believed to be the downed helicopter. The subsequent confirmation of no survivors marked the tragic end of President Raisi. Amidst the unfolding events, the internet has become a hotbed for speculation, with baseless theories about the crash's cause proliferating, including premature accusations of responsibility, lacking any substantiated proof. To date, the exact cause of the crash remains undisclosed by Iranian authorities, as reported by the Associated Press, with severe fog potentially playing a significant role. The challenging weather conditions persisted throughout the search operations, per Hossein Khalivand, head of the Iranian Red Crescent Society, acknowledged the difficulty of the search efforts due to the adverse weather, which rendered drone-assisted aerial searches unfeasible. Drone technology eventually pinpointed a blaze that guided rescuers to the wreckage, located approximately 12 miles from the border between Azerbaijan and Iran. Initial uncertainty surrounded the fate of President Raisi and his companions post-crash. However, rescue teams arriving at the site on Monday confirmed the absence of any survivors, as reported by state media. Visuals from the Fars news agency and the Red Cross depicted the crash scene, showing remnants of the helicopter amidst forested terrain. Social media narratives quickly turned to Israel's potential involvement, yet these remain unsubstantiated, with no concrete evidence aside from the ongoing tensions between the two countries. Despite the lack of an official declaration, an Israeli representative reassured Reuters that Israel was not implicated in the incident, stating, unequivocally, "It wasn't us." In a conversation with ABC Australia, Adel Abdel Ghaffar, a senior figure at the Middle East Council on Global Affairs, considered the likelihood of Israel orchestrating such an act as slim, noting that it would constitute an overt act of war, eliciting a strong reaction from Iran. He highlighted that Israel typically opts for clandestine military actions targeting military rather than political figures. Ghaffar also cautioned that if an external force were involved, it could potentially ignite an already volatile situation. Concurrently, some social media claims suggest that the U.S. suspects an assassination, yet these assertions lack any factual backing and seem to be mere attempts at engagement farming, a common tactic on social media platforms following major news events to draw attention to certain channels with unfounded or fabricated statements. As it stands, with the helicopter wreckage discovered less than a day prior, there is no definitive explanation for the crash. Although adverse weather conditions may have contributed, the investigation into the precise circumstances is ongoing.